Hello everyone, welcome back to my podcast, Conversation with Khushbu. Today I have a guest. She expresses her art through a dance, like some Bollywood ने classical भी. In fact, she doesn't follow the trends यार, आजकल trends कौन follow नहीं करता है? But she creates one. She is none other than Snehal Sunil ma'am. Hi Snehal ma'am, how are you?
Hi, how are you doing? I'm grateful to have you here and thank you for the podcast. I'm grateful actually. I have manifested. I had कि मेरा भी एक podcast हो कि I'll be able to tell my story to everyone and what an opportunity it is and I'm grateful for it. Thank you so much.
I am grateful because I have been following you and I am seeing your content and I was like, yeah, I really want to know her and how the way you express yourself. It is something out of the box. Like what inspired you?
To be very honest, I've been dancing since I was a kid. Okay, so I learned a form called Odissi. If you are aware of it.
Yeah.
So my guru's name is Shilpi Patnaik. So I learned a very gist of Odissi from her. And after that, I had always took active participation in dance competitions and programs and functions and annual functions. तो वो तो था ही स्कूल में that was constant कि स्नेहल कुछ ना करे तो पहले डांस तो करेगी.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden there was a few kids in my apartment building and they would say कि मैम और दीदी हमको ना डांस करना है, आप सेट कर दोगे? I was like fine, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Then slowly उनके competitions को choreograph करते then I thought maybe I just have this in me. Maybe I should just continue this or whatever is happening. तो मैंने कंटिन्यू किया. पहले तो बहुत ही स्मॉल स्केल जैसा होता है कि घर के एक छोटे से बरांडे में या फिर टेरेस में there used to be 10 students who came to me initially कि मैम परफॉर्म करना है. तो अभी तो जैसे है ही ट्रेंड, पहले भी वही ट्रेंड था परफॉर्म करने का. They were very much keen. छोटे बच्चे कैसे कीन होते हैं ना these social gatherings में मैम परफॉर्म करना है.
Annual functions
होते हैं and then these cultural programs होते हैं. बच्चे बढ़ते गए.
Okay.
So kids had a lot of interest कि अरे मैम is so much fun, मस्ती करती है दीदी. तो वैसे करके वो जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ. It's been 8 years with Gitanjali.
Okay.
And last year I was feeling very saturated कि एक ही जगह, एक ही space, same number of people, same faces I'm teaching. Obviously there are new people who keep coming and there are new faces that I keep seeing. But the space जो होता है, the exposure that an artist wants or the recognition that an artist wants, वो नहीं है. Smaller cities.
Okay.
So I got a very good opportunity. One of my students, he recommended me Happy Feet.
Okay.
So that is how I connected. So, because I always felt कि अरे एक इंसान किसी को कैसे grow होने दे सकता है. I have always seen that. Because अमरनाथ में when I have seen people कि मैं कर रहा हूँ तो she cannot do that. You can't be doing it. Competition ऐसा है कि they can't see you growing. मतलब अगर तुम ग्रो कर रही हो तो मैं नहीं, तू कैसे ग्रो कर सकती है? तो ऐसे वो सीन था. हैप्पी फीट में भी we started off with a workshop.
Okay.
And with workshop then started with regulars and the love I've received उल्लासनगर में. I'm very grateful that I मैंने थोड़ा सा मेरे कंफर्ट जोन से मैं निकली, मैंने ट्राई किया, मैं वहाँ गई. तो मैं तो यही थी नहीं मैं यहाँ ठीक हूँ. मतलब ये 30, 35, 40, 50 बच्चे ठीक है, मैं यहाँ ठीक हूँ. तो मैं इतना कंफर्टेबल हो गई थी और मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है कि मुझे बहुत जल्दी कंफर्टेबल हो जाती है एंड आई डोंट मूव आउट. ऐसा है कि इवन फ्रेंडशिप्स हो गए, रिलेशनशिप चल ही रहा है, बंद नहीं होता. इट्स गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन तो बस चल ही रहा है.
ओके. तो आपने जैसे बताया कि सबको लगता था कुछ नहीं तो डांस तो कर ही लेगी, तो यू वर नॉट गुड इन स्टडीज और यू वर
average.
Okay.
I was an average student. I was never a 95-80% kid.
Okay.
Or neither I was a 40-50%. I was an average student. 70s में रहना हमेशा.
Okay.
Because I was always this. My mind was always a मतलब कुछ और ही सोचती थी मैं. Always dancing में भी यहाँ मैं कुछ ऐसे कर सकती हूँ. So ये सारी चीजें चलती रहती थी दिमाग में. तो पढ़ाई जो है मुझसे बिठा के करना वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. It's always exam के 2 दिन पहले पढ़ना है, दिन भर पढ़ना है, जितना आया उतना एग्जाम देना. तो मेरी मॉम मुझसे हमेशा ये बात बोलती थी कि अगर थोड़ा पढ़ लेती तो 90 ले आ सकती. तो मैं बोलती कि मुझे 90 लाना ही नहीं है. तो वो प्रेशर चाहिए ही नहीं मुझे. So I was always an average student when it comes to study. So my school has played a very important role to what I am today. because they have never pressured me कि पढ़ एग्जाम में पास होना है 90% लाना है. School play actually, to be very honest, this is for everyone. Schools play a very important role for a kid कि आगे वो बच्चे को बनना क्या है. ठीक है, तो हर बच्चा बोलता है मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, मुझे इंजीनियर बनना है. कोई बच्चा ये नहीं बोलता कि मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनना है.
True.
You will never see a child saying this, you know, I want to become an artist, because वो set pattern बन गया है कि you have to, you know, you have to grow up and you have to earn.
Yeah.
तो ये करोगे तो ये पैसे मिलेंगे.
True.
तो ठीक है, तो even if you are an artist, if you use your skills properly, if you express it properly, you will definitely find people who would want to learn art from you.
Yeah.
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 So yeah, so my school has always, honestly, my school and my parents have made me what I am today.
Wow.
So that's even though my school's motto is always excellence, but yeah, they've always been.
They'll watch.
Yeah, they'll watch me. Yes.
So you're praising your school. So
Yeah,
good,
I'm
I think.
praising my school. I'm praising my childhood. I'm praising everyone right now. Free praises.
If you don't mind, are you a Sindhi?
No, I'm not. I'm
Really?
not a Sindhi. Yes, I'm not a Sindhi. I have become a Sindhi
Okay.
by, you know, I was never a Sindhi fan.
Okay.
I am always like Punjabis, but not Sindhis, because I had my personal issues. But you know, since I told you the whole journey
Yeah.
of, you know, going to Happy Feet and
Yeah.
being a part of them, so it's like I'm becoming one of them now, because they're
Okay.
so good.
Yeah.
Each and every student over there has accepted me with open arms. They have
Wow.
never discriminated. कि, you know, she's not a Sindhi, or maybe, you know, they've never done that.
Yeah.
I've always felt like it's a family. जैसे कि
Mhm.
रितांजलि एक family है. Happy Feet में जो रितांजलि के बच्चे आते हैं, जो भी सीखने को, even they have become a family. So I'm not a Sindhi, I'm a Odia.
Okay.
And where is Orissa? Orissa is a sister state of West Bengal.
Okay. I assumed that you might be Sindhi, but thank you for clearing
I'm
that.
not. I'm Odia. And a lot of people have called me Bengali also.
Yeah,
Because the tika, the
The
vibe,
vibe.
yeah, the vibe. But I'm not a Bengali. I'm not a Sindhi. I'm not a Punjabi. I'm a Odia.
That's really nice. Talking about Ritanjali, where did that name came from? If you are okay sharing about it.
So Ritanjali was not a, बोलते हैं कि जो कि हम प्लान करते हैं या हम सोचते हैं, तो ये सोच नहीं है. It's purely my mother's name.
Okay.
Yeah, so Ritanjali is my mom.
Okay.
And so it's been a hierarchy, if you would say, if that would be a right word.
Okay.
So my father, he has a transport business.
Okay.
So he's into logistics.
Okay.
So his business name is behind his mother's name.
Oh.
And my business, my work or my profession has my mother's name. And कोई thought नहीं है कि कुछ और रखना है या फिर मेरा खुद का नाम रखना है या फिर कुछ और. There was never a thought. It was purely Ritanjali. So when this came into existence, it was even a second कोई thought नहीं है. It has to be my mother's name.
Wow. I mean, she might
She,
be.
if she is watching this, so definitely now she must be crying somewhere. Definitely, if she watches this, she must be crying. She must be having a happy tears. But yeah,
I can see tears in your eyes.
yeah, it's all her. It's all her. Everything is her.
You're
So,
very much close.
yes, I'm close to my family. I'm very close to my family. I'm a family person. Family man जैसा series है.
Ah.
I'm a family girl.
Do you have a sibling?
Yes, I have a sibling. I have an elder sibling. She
Okay.
lives in Bangalore, and elder sibling has a baby,
Oh.
and he's my son.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how it is. My family, I love each and every person of my family. Or for example, if I am considering someone as a family,
Mhm.
so you must feel कि हाँ यार ये बहुत important person होगा. तो family is very important for me. No matter what, no friends, nothing. Family is
Like Ritanjali.
Ritanjali is my family. So everyone wants to get into the family, Ritanjali family. So like that.
That's really touching.
Yeah.
So, currently on Instagram, I have seen like you're getting compliments. You are bringing emotions out of people. You are, making them so much comfortable. They are feeling home at your studio, or the way they are dancing. How do you do that?
There's no rocket science, to be very honest.
Okay.
A good person or a human being, if you are a good human being, people are going to feel very comfortable around you. Like did you feel comfortable around me?
I
You
was-
just intimidated.
First starting with all
Starting
this,
but later on you got along, right?
yeah.
So that's what happens. I feel that I'm a very good human being and it's my responsibility. जैसे कि हमारा responsibility, we say कि we are in a chakra where we are supposed to earn money and we do house chores करना है, offices जाना है ये. So I feel out of that also we are responsible to do something that's for the people around us, right? It's our responsibility to make them feel comfortable and definitely हम किसी को heal नहीं कर सकते. We don't have healing powers. We are not keep educated enough to heal people, or maybe you can't be a psychiatrist to someone, but if someone is dealing with something, yeah, so they shouldn't be feeling uncomfortable with their presence or with their own feelings कि यार आशिक मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आई, this is not my place. तो ऐसा feeling मुझे किसी को नहीं देना.
Okay.
That person, मेरा motive यही है कि whenever a person enters this classroom, that person should feel comfortable, related, or okay, I am a part of this.
Okay.
Initially एक दो दिन difficult होता है, but later that person gets along, and yeah, that's how it is.
So don't mind. Like you have so many students. Is there like favoritism or something?
Always. So I have favorite students. Those students are my favorite who are consistent.
Okay.
There is nothing कि आप मेरा चापलूसी करो and there is you get me J's.
Yeah.
ऐसा कभी नहीं होता.
Okay.
Only the consistent ones, and there are people who had joined me since the year I started Gitanjali,
Okay.
and they are still continuing. And they never say कि अरे खत्म हो, ऐसे लगता ही नहीं कि छुट्टी ली. It doesn't feel that I should discontinue because I'm always learning something new in my class. कि हर एक दिन एक नया सेशन होता है, मैं कुछ नया सीख रही हूँ.
Okay.
तो ऐसा है, तो मेरा फेवरेटिज्म एक ही है कि कंसिस्टेंट हो बच्चा. मेरे लिए कंसिस्टेंट बच्चे मेरे फेवरेट होते हैं. This is for everyone.
So everybody is going to be consistent
yes,
from now on.
everybody is going to be consistent from now on because they want to be my favorite.
So पहले ऐसे होता था एक सॉन्ग सिखाने के लिए ना एक हफ्ता लगाते थे कि पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग एक हफ्ता. When I used to like बचपन में, but now choreography is something like Instagram पे reels चल रहे हैं 15 seconds का सबको सीखना ही है.
Exactly.
So how many days you take? And
Okay, so this is a very beautiful question. Thank you very much for you came up with this. Earlier I used to take 15-20 days to teach a piece because I used to teach it not with an ease, but with a comfort कि सारा चीज each and every hand gesture should be perfect.
okay.
So there should be no compromise in learning whatever they are learning from. So if you see students which had joined me, initially, or abhi ke students, if you just compare, so you will see clarity.
Okay.
Yeah, you will see clarity कि पहले वाला ना काफी polished होगा क्योंकि उसको उतना train किया गया है.
Okay.
अभी का because of trends, people want to learn something in a span of a week.
Yeah.
In 2 days, मैम हमको सिखा दो. अभी तो वर्कशॉप्स इसीलिए ट्रेंड हुआ है कि टाइम नहीं मिलता, इतना कमिट नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो कमिटमेंट इशू इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग व्हिच प्लेज अ रोल बिकॉज हर वीकेंड हमको नहीं आने होगा. हम हर वीकेंड नहीं आ सकते. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. We have work, we have family with it. And there are students who have been coming to me every weekend, even if they have their family programs and schedule. They have scheduled it accordingly. कि मैं class चली जाती हूँ and then I attend this. There have been students like this. But अभी problem क्या ही हो रहा है ना, ये because of this trend thing which we've been talking about.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
trend thing. तो ये क्या हो रहा है कि मुझे फटाफट सीखना है, मुझे पोस्ट करना है.
हाँ.
तो ये ट्रेंड पे जा रहा है तो मैं पोस्ट करूँ तो मुझे लाइक्स मिलेंगे. और पेशेंस आल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल.
Yeah.
कि मुझे फटाफट क्यों नहीं सिखा रहे हैं. Why am I not learning fast?
Yeah.
मैं डांस कर रही हूँ, मुझे फटाफट सीखना है. But they don't understand slow cooking is also a thing, right? So yeah.
जैसे आपने बताया अभी कि ट्रेंड्स के वजह से people want likes and everything, and मैंने आपको इंट्रोड्यूस किया you don't follow the
Yes.
trends. Like why is that?
Why is that? Why is that? Because lot of things. I don't like trends because the music which goes on with it. I am a very soulful person.
Okay.
There are types of songs which I like and there are types of songs which I don't like.
Okay.
And every person is like that. See, for example, if you are probably a Jagjit Singh person, and if someone plays some other song in front of you, you will not like that.
Yeah.
So I listen to raps also, I listen to ghazals also, I listen to Bollywood also, I listen to Western music also.
Okay.
But there are some songs कि मुझे pressured feel नहीं करना है.
Okay.
I have to do this.
Huh.
That doesn't prove my art. The trend doesn't prove my art. Just because I copy something of the internet, it's very easy. To be very honest, following a trend and becoming famous is very easy.
Yeah.
But what I do is I wait for the trend to get over.
ये क्या लॉजिक है?
ये लॉजिक ये है कि वो ट्रेंड खत्म हो जाए, ठीक है, एंड देन सब कूल डाउन हो जाए, देन आई पोस्ट एंड देन यू सी माय वर्क, बिकॉज़ आई एम नॉट फॉलोइंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, बिकॉज़ देयर इज ऑलवेज दिस थिंग कि वो मैं नहीं कर सकती जो सब कर रहे हैं. हाँ, क्योंकि फिर क्या है, फिर मैं तो भेड़ चाल का हिस्सा हो जाऊंगी, मुझे पता नहीं है. तो it's not that I'm not offending anyone. It's just that कि
you take your time and you
I take my own time. I wreck my own brain for this. I can't copy someone.
Okay.
There are definitely a lot of inspirations around.
Yeah.
So if I am copying, or maybe if someone is inspiring, I make sure that I mention them that this person has inspired me to do this. But ऐसे नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे. And my students have this complaint. They always complain कि मैम ये ट्रेंड क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, मैम ये आप खत्म होने के बाद क्यों करते हो मैम. So मैं भी उनको यही बोलती हूँ, because you know if you run behind trend then you get into the cycle.
Yeah.
And you feel pressured.
Yeah.
क्यों का लेना है प्रेशर, इतना ऑलरेडी लाइफ में है यार, बड़ा बनना है, पैसे कमाने, ये करना है, इतना प्रेशर से क्या किया. वो प्रेशर मैंने निकाल दिया, यू नहीं चाहिए.
वो है कि ट्रेंड्स फॉलो किया तो instantly
yes,
we have to post it.
yes.
It will
Yes.
go
तो
viral.
हमको उसका एक नोट रखना पड़ेगा कि यो this is happening, this is happening,
Yeah.
so we have to do. So there are days when you know I have done a few, ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ.
Few जब सारे बच्चे बोलते थे, students बोलते हैं कि मैम let's do this, so like fine, let's give it a try.
Yeah.
Other than that, on daily basis I can't, because I need my own space to create my art. If
Yeah.
I keep following or keep running behind trend,
Yeah.
तो I think मेरा वो creative credibility कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि मेरा कम हो जाएगा. ऐसे मुझे फील होता है
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं कुछ और सोच रही हूँ तो मेरा दिमाग अगर किसी पीस में है, अटका हुआ है, तो वो वहाँ काम नहीं करेगा. So that's why no trends for me.
Great. So basically, I have seen that your songs are like Bollywood classical. Like आपके songs में वो थोड़ा सा ना एक gist रहता है classical का, that expressions and everything. How do you choose your song?
Okay, I see when it comes to choosing a song. Okay, how it comes. I have listened to a lot of songs. So my only criteria of choosing a song that it should touch my heart.
Okay.
I need to feel the emotions. Right? तो जब तक वो इमोशन कहीं टिकल नहीं करता है, कहीं पे कुछ तो वो टिंगलिंग वाला फीलिंग नहीं होता, तब तक मैं वो गाना ना जाती नहीं हूँ. मे बी उस गाने को मैंने 1,500 बार सुन लिया होगा, ठीक है, बट इवन that needs to tickle my emotional, somewhere it should go कि मैं उसको prepare करूँ. And then there are a lot of recommendations also. If for example, if a student of mine is equally creative as me, and she is recommending me, ma'am, just try this song, so I probably try that song.
Okay.
Then my songs are more of devotional. If you listen to the choreographies that I have that I have taught, they are more of which connect me to the divine force.
How has your dance evolved through the years?
It has evolved drastically.
Okay.
So earlier it was for fun, doing things which are which everyone will like.
Okay.
So earlier it was for everyone, सबको पसंद आना चाहिए.
Okay.
Now what I am creating is a visual treat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I have not uploaded my work yet.
Okay.
So recently, like this year itself, we performed for Kalagoda Art Festival, and we have represented Ritanjali itself. So if you must be knowing this, there's an organization called as Bengali Sangh. No. So they are a community. It's a Bengali community. So they helped us going there.
Okay.
Yeah. So we performed Mahabharata over there, and it was a visual. People were crying. Earlier, ये thought if you tell me 18-year-old singer will never feel, they will never imagine, think or evolve the way I have evolved now, right now. So it's a 9 or 8 years ka journey. Earlier it was simple, it was entertainment. Now
Okay.
what we are doing or what I am planning is creating visual clips. Now I want theater or I want performances where I want people to go pay and watch.
Okay.
That is my complete concept about. I want to see their performance. That is how it should be.
So basically, you mean that it's Gitanjali's mission
Yeah,
and vision.
yeah. Vision and mission is to create, visual. Because somewhere I feel, we sit behind the phone
हाँ.
and we feel कि हमने दुनिया देख ली है. Everybody must be thinking like that. कि अरे दुनिया देख ली, हमको सब पता है.
हाँ.
But when you really step out of the house and when you see these arts and the shows and theaters and you see people dancing and expressing their emotions, somewhere inside an artist inside you tells कि अरे मुझे भी ये try करना है. So that helps us with तो बोलते हैं कि आर्टिस्ट बॉर्न हुआ है तो देख के ही तो समझ में आएगा. तो हम लोग अगर ट्रेंड्स देखते रहेंगे, इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल करते रहेंगे, फेसबुक स्क्रॉल करेंगे, तो वी विल नॉट बी, फॉर दैट यू नीड टू गो आउट ऑफ द हाउस. सो आई थिंक सबको वो स्क्रीन टाइम अपने आप ही सेट कर लेना चाहिए कि दिस इज व्हाट आई नीड. हम लोग क्या सी यू आर व्हाट यू कंज्यूम. आई बिलीव लाइक दैट एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज फेल्ट कि मैं जो देख रही हूँ ना वही मैं बनने वाली.
ओके.
तो अगर मैं कुछ अच्छा देख रही हूँ तो मेरी सोच अच्छी होगी. अगर मैं कुछ ऑफुल देख रही हूँ या फिर मैं अपने आप को ऐसी एंटरटेन करने के लिए देख रही हूँ तो फिर मैं वैसी बोरिंग हो जाऊंगी, मैं कुछ क्रिएटिव नहीं कर पाऊंगी. तो मैं भी बहुत सारे आर्ट्स में, बहुत सारा थिएटर, बहुत सारे परफॉर्मेंसेस देख क्योंकि बोला कि दीज पीपल आर डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस, लेट मी इनकलकेट दिस इन माय journey or maybe my set or maybe my palette.
Okay. With art and creativity, what do you mean by art? Because dance forms में there are multiple genres, not just one. Which specific one you prefer or you express?
I'm not fixated to something, to be very honest. कि मुझे यही करना है या मुझे वही करना है. तुम कुछ भी कर रहे हो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, ठीक है. Even if you do yoga, it's an art. If you are just doing a hand gesture to express something, for example, मैं दुपट्टा नीचे खींच रही हूँ और फिर ऊपर कर रही हूँ, that is expressing something. That is an art for me. For example, तुम draw कर रहे हो out of some emotion, it's an art for me. तो art ऐसे कोई I don't feel कि you need a certificate for being an artist. वो अपने आप से ही वो बंदा creativity से और तुम्हारा दिमाग वो I feel artists are one of a kind. You will find dancers everywhere. Let me tell you, हर कोने में, हर नुक्कड़ में, हर गली में डांसर है.
Okay.
आर्टिस्ट नहीं. डांसर तुमको एंटरटेन करेगा, नाचेगा, एंटरटेन करेगा, बट आर्टिस्ट तुम्हारे सोल को टच करेगा. तो आई थिंक I call myself an artist, a choreographer, but not a dancer.
Okay. So you are emphasizing कि आपको theater and art में ज़्यादा you want to go. But what about weddings choreography or do you do that?
वो commercial है. The wedding choreography is fill your pockets. Because everybody wants a surprise performance. मैं थक गई हूँ ये सुन के कि I want to surprise my guy. मैं भी करने वाली हूँ कभी ना कभी, ऐसे कोई डाउट नहीं है. I am going to surprise my guy and everything. But it has become again a trend. We want to do it. We don't want things to be simple. We don't want things. We want to show people. कहीं ना कहीं I also have been, मुझे hypocrite बुलाएंगे लोग. Even I want to do that. But it's been a trend, like we have to do it. And I'm very happy. And to be very honest, filling the back pockets के अलावा भी, the families which come to me, I become a part of that family. So ऐसा है, मतलब मुझे भी वही ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है जो बाकी के गेस्ट को मिलता है. तो वो अपनापन होता है ना, शायद होता है ना कि फैमिली बहुत पसंद है, तो मुझे ये फैमिली से मिलना भी बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. तो मैं यहाँ पे स्टूडियो में there have been days when I've stayed till like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Like people are practicing and stuff. So like that.
Okay, so anything like in future you feel like कि passing down your, essence of dance to your student, या आप किसी में वो देखते हैं कि यार वो person मेरी जगह ले सकता है? Is there something like that in your mind?
जगह क्या होता है? I don't feel there is मैं कहूँ कि जगह नहीं है. Because see, अगर मैं बोलूँगी मुझे कोई represent करेगा,
हाँ,
मैं जो कर रही हूँ आर्ट, मैं लोगों को सिखा रही हूँ, डांस सिखा रही हूँ, whatever I'm teaching, वो इनहेरिट हो रहा है.
okay,
और मेरे बच्चे बाकियों को सिखा रहे हैं.
हाँ,
And that is how it's supposed to be. There is nothing. There Ritanjali is space.
okay,
Everybody is Ritanjali.
okay,
तो स्नेहल is a part of Ritanjali. तो स्नेहल का पार्ट या स्नेहल को कोई ये करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Everybody is Ritanjali. Everybody is Ritanjali. So it's good. No कोई space place का कुछ नहीं. I don't call myself इतना वो नहीं होता.
So any competition you have faced or like
Competition, always a healthy competition. Although the people whom I'm working with, even they are professionally into dancing.
Okay.
So they have not considered me as a competition.
Okay.
Neither I do. They have a set, they have a base of their students. I have a base of my students.
Okay.
So ऐसे तो कोई नहीं है कि भाई बोला कि ऐसे तो करके मैं खा नहीं सकते ना. So it's there. But again, मैंने जैसे पहले बोला, बहुत ज़्यादा difference है from my city to the cities that move forward.
Okay.
So in Ambarnath there is very strong competition. There will be people who will not see you just because you are a competition. And then there are people in Ulhasnagar, they will work with you, collaborative work.
Okay.
Then you move to Bombay, then again there is a fair, positive collaborative work.
Okay.
वहाँ पे competition देखोगे नहीं आप लोग. I feel like that because I have worked with people and they respect your art. जैसे भी हो they respect. Competition वाला चीज है ही नहीं वहाँ पे. Nobody is running a race. But definitely Instagram trend and everything, everybody wants to follow and everyone wants to be a number one. But again, when I speak of Ulhasnagar, I have never felt competition. There has been everything which is very healthy, very organic, and I'm very happy about it.
Well, that was very much about dancing. I want to know something personal about you. Like, how do you manage your personal time?
Okay.
Teaching so many students, like balancing everything. I see your stories, yoga, meditation, but still that set of mind you need. How do you manage?
So earlier, if you say before a month or so, I was not able to manage. I was not. I was like burdened with work. Like I have to prove. Then there was a feeling where I have to like really prove myself every day.
To whom?
I don't know whom. I think maybe myself. I have to do this. I have to do that. I'm running here, running there, doing this, teaching this kid, going home, then coming back. Then after a while, I just took a pause. I think for my health. Because my own PCOD is giving me a lot of stress and anxiety.
Okay.
So earlier I told you earlier I was an extrovert. Now I became an ambivert. So working, I work 5 days. 2 days I need for myself to cool down. वो cool down period होता है ना, जैसे कि अपन बैटरी चार्ज करते हैं. Then there is a cool down period. That's how it is. Okay. I need time for myself. Like even if I wake up early in the morning, my mornings are supposed to be slow. Like drinking my own water, journaling, reading my book. And yeah, that's a lifestyle I am, I have framed the lifestyle for myself कि भाई ऐसे ही जाना चाहिए अभी.
Okay.
Because और stress लेना नहीं है, इसको PCOD ठीक करना है, stress बढ़ाना नहीं है. I want to be happy. So yeah.
Talking about health, like I don't want to say it, but I have seen on your Instagram that you have posted कि you have faced a lot of body shaming throughout your journey, like dancing related. People have called you this and that. I don't want to say that. I am really sorry for asking you that.
No, you don't have to be sorry. I would want to tell you something. I am fat.
Okay.
I am fat. That is the word for a fat person. You are fair. You are fair. I am fat. I am beautiful. See?
Yeah.
That person is dark. Whatever. That person is skinny or whatever. So that is what we are called.
Okay.
But making fun of a person, insulting that person, just because the way he or she looks, that's bad.
Yeah.
That's bad. That is bad because then I start questioning values of a person. Reason? I was just walking down the street. I was just going out of the house, and there was this person who I know, and I had shared this story on my Instagram also.
Okay.
This story. I don't think if you read or not, but that person just came to me and said, "Oh my God, what is wrong with you?" She just said that. Oh my God, what is wrong with you? And I was like, okay, so मुझे थोड़ा ना fix करना पड़ा अपना दिमाग, क्योंकि मेरे पास दो options. I had two options. एक तो मुझे गुस्सा होना था. Second, I just had to be graceful and I had to smile and everything. So I said I was always like this.
Okay.
Maybe मैंने 10 किलो और बढ़ा दिया होगा, but I was always a chubby girl since I was a kid.
Okay.
So if you see my photos, no, you'll never see a patli, chupdi smile. I was never like that. I was always a khati, peti, food lover, a crazy food lover. So I said I was always a chubby girl, but then I have hyperpigmentation on my face and everything. She just pointed out everything.
The mistakes, like
Yes,
yeah, okay.
all the problems, all the flaws my body has,
which you don't have,
yes.
but in her
again, yes.
Nice.
So I was like, I don't think I'm getting it treated, obviously. But what is wrong with you? Why have you lost it? Get yourself checked. That was a comeback that I gave, and I'm very proud of it. Initially, मुझे भी बुरा लगा. So this is for everyone over here, okay? So initially I felt bad कि should make you बोल रही हूँ ऐसे. But then I thought कि why not give it back with soothe?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Why do you want to keep it inside you? Why do you want to cry? फिर depression करना है, फिर extra खाना है, फिर dessert खाना है because you're stressed out. Give it back.
But sarcastically जैसे आपने बोला.
Yeah. Sarcastically give it back and with grace. Give a smile. ऐसे भी नहीं कि तुम offend हो रहे हो और तुम फिर गुस्से से बोल रहे हो कि यार ऐसे किसको ने बोल दिया. जो तुम्हें कुछ बोल रहा है बहुत ही gracefully give that person give it back because even that person needs to go home and think यार मैंने गलत बोला उसको. वो बच्चे को मैंने गलत बोल दिया. उसका इंटेंशन नहीं होगा हर्ट करने का, पर अगर इंटेंशन ही नहीं है हर्ट करने का फिर बोलना क्यों? सोच समझ के बोलना. फिल्टर हमेशा फोटो में ही नहीं होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा वोकल कॉर्ड में भी होना चाहिए.
Oh my God! ये लाइन क्या बोली आपने?
फिल्टर सिर्फ कैमरा इंस्टाग्राम में नहीं, you have to filter here because if the closest person hurt you with words,
it hurts.
मुझे ना आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, मैं कहीं पे भी जाती हूँ, there are people they talk a lot about me. मोटी है क्या है ये वो. But when the closest person, if that person tells me this, I think then I rethink. Something is off. So like that. There are people, there are bad shamers on Instagram. So one of my videos went viral during the lockdown, and there were like messages, DMs. How can a fat girl dance?
What does that even mean?
That means you can't live on this planet. You can't live on this planet. A fat person cannot live on this planet. This is what. Then तभी भी मैंने इसको कभी personally नहीं लिया. I never taken Instagram DMs personally.
Okay.
Why I'll tell you. Because I always made fun of these people. Okay. Why? I took a screenshot of this here. I used to post it on my story and I used to reply them mentioning them कि देख तो क्या बोल रहा है भाई.
Oh.
Yeah. So
you do answer them like in your own way.
Gracefully. Grace is what मेरे डांस में भी grace है, मेरे बातों में भी grace है. सब जगह पे grace.
अभी ये बोलने वाली थी कि आपके डांस में भी grace है. मैम आपने काफी इंटरव्यूज दिए हैं मैगजीन्स में. You have been highlighted through your journey. Like, is there something which people should know about you which you haven't highlighted yet?
Yes. You need to follow an art. I have never highlighted this because nobody asked me this question.
Okay.
People have always asked me about my journey and about my health and about me being fat and me being body shamed. But they have never asked me what is the message you want to give to the people. Is you need to follow an art, whatever it is.
Okay.
Even it is stitching, or maybe playing a flute or guitar or something. That drives you, that keeps you grounded. Art keeps you grounded. That is what I want to tell each and every person around. Art keeps you grounded.
What about
Why?
padhai?
Huh?
What about padhai?
Padhai will keep you everywhere. Your merits will keep you everywhere. Definitely, merits will give you your job,
Yeah.
your desired college. But art is something, you know, stress ही रहता है यार. art अभी लोगों ने करना बंद कर दिया है. It's just that टाइम नहीं है, टाइम नहीं है, टाइम क्या करते हो तुम इतना टाइम का? मैनेज क्यों नहीं करते हो टाइम? अपने लिए टाइम क्यों नहीं निकालते? So there are people who come to me after 40s and 50s and कहते कि देखें मुझे मेरा पैशन फॉलो करना है. So I always ask this question कि तब कब था, तब टाइम क्यों नहीं था आपके पास? Why don't you, you know, you need to manage your time. ऐसा नहीं है, मैं भी worst manager थी when it comes to time. But when I learned how to manage time by waking up early in the morning, yeah, so that happened. So I learned कि नहीं यार मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है. मेरे पास एक्चुअली बहुत टाइम है. अगर मैं ये काम अब कर लूँ तो मेरे पास अपने लिए एक आधा घंटा मिल जाएगा ये करने के लिए जो मुझे पसंद है. Even if it's singing, writing, storytelling, whatsoever.
So, like, apart from dancing, you are a good singer.
No, I am not a good singer. I am a horrible bathroom singer. Don't ask me to sing, please. You will ask me to dance, I dance for you. I will not sing.
Okay, I won't. But you know, I noticed one thing in your recent workshop. I mean, there are people who judge, or there are people who are uncomfortable to do classical dance. I have seen you have welcomed a guy to your workshop,
Yes.
and he was performing very well.
Yes.
And I was so surprised. I don't know किसी ने note किया होगा नहीं, but I observed it. And
He also must be watching somewhere. I don't know. He must be watching this video.
Ah,
So yeah, he initially came here for the
okay.
workshop.
Okay.
So he was not uncomfortable.
Really?
No, he wasn't uncomfortable. The reason he was not uncomfortable because he knew who he was.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो कब तुम uncomfortable feel करते हो? जब तुमको ये लगता है कि अरे मैं यहाँ पे एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो पाऊंगा, यहाँ पे मुझे एक्सेप्टेंस का प्रॉब्लम. नाउ पीपल उसके फैंस है अब. People want to shoot videos with him.
Wow.
ऐसा हो गया. So he is very expressive when
Yeah.
it comes to
Yeah.
art, and he has been very. I think जब वो जाता है ना कहीं पे तो people around him don't feel uncomfortable. That is more important. For example, मैं एक लड़का हूँ, मैं डांस कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
तो मेरे वजह से definitely लड़कियाँ
Yeah.
लड़कियाँ they are in their own world. They don't even feel कि यार कोई अलग है.
Wow.
तो ये चीज है ना जो जेंडर का ये जो होता है कि
हाँ.
यार मैं नहीं जाऊंगा वहां पे क्योंकि लड़कियां आती है या फिर मैं नहीं.
हाँ.
तो ये वो बंदे ने ना मेरे दिमाग में भी कभी वो चीज नहीं आती है. मैं भी कभी नहीं बोलती कि यू नो दिस इज दिस पर्सन. डेफिनेटली यू कांट टेक नेम्स राइट.
Of course.
सो यू नो आई डिड नो डोंट डिस्क्रिमिनेट हिम. ही हैज डन अ मिस्टेक. वो गाली वो वैसे ही सुनता जैसे कि दूसरे गालियां सुनते हैं. तो यार स्ट्रेट.
But basically सोसाइटी में ऐसा होता है, लड़कों के माइंड में भी ऐसे होता है.
क्लासिकल नहीं करना.
या और इतनी सारी लड़कियों के बीच
नहीं
में
करना है.
उन्होंने मतलब I'm not judging anybody or not, but seeing that I saw in a positive manner, I was so impressed. I was like, और मैंने उनकी वीडियोस भी देखी. I was like, dude. और आप जिस वे से he was following you
Yeah.
and proper, I was very much like you welcome everyone.
Yes,
with
yes.
open
Everybody is welcome with open heart, with everything. ऐसे कोई नहीं है. मेरे पास सारे आते हैं. कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है उनमें, कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं है. दिल खोल के नाचो. दैट इज ऑल वी वांट फॉर द वर्कशॉप. और पैसे दे के आते हो यार, उसमें भी तुम अनकंफर्टेबल फील करोगे, स्ट्रेस फील करोगे, कैसे चलेगा? पैसा वसूल होना चाहिए. You know, being around Sindhis, this is what happened.
तो लगता है कुछ सिंधी डिशेस ट्राई की.
Koki, I loved Koki. So there are students of mine who bought Koki, and I'm a big Koki fan since I was a kid. I had a lot of Sindhi friends, and
हाँ.
Koki is something I love. And there is Puka Chawal,
Oh.
and there is Aloo Tuk, if you say.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know everything, ma'am. Come
So
on.
I know everything, and I love Sindhi food. No doubt, they put a lot of oil and ghee, but that's a different story. But I love Sindhi food.
So, any dream you are having currently apart from dancing you want to fulfill? Like
Yeah.
we have spoken a lot about
Yes. I really want to get into I don't know if how would I say. I want to get into plus size content creation, like giving styling ideas to the plus size girls, because I've always seen girls wearing जो तुम्हारा size है उससे भी बड़ा पहनोगे because उनका size available नहीं.
Correct.
You must have seen people, right?
I have
Compromising on outfits.
Yeah.
Why? Why are you not taking care of your styling?
Yeah.
So that is something I really want to do, but after there is a goal which I have set for my body. If I attain that, probably next year I'll start with full-fledged
Looking forward.
content creation. So again, I will come for a podcast with you.
Please, let me talk about styling.
yes.
Ma'am, how close you are to your students? ऐसा कुछ experience detach होने का आप share करेंगे?
Okay. बहुत वो experiences हैं काफी. तो I have attachment issues.
Okay.
Real attachment issues. Because I shower love इतना कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो बचा रहे मेरे पास. It's like a storage box. कि वो प्यार उस पे स्टोर होता रहे, बच्चा नर्चर होता रहे. And then there are times when people leave. उनके respective reasons हो सकते हैं, studies हैं, कुछ के jobs होते हैं. And then a part of me goes along with them.
Oh.
And having such a child, the person doesn't have to be a very wow वाला चीज नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
But even that person, उसका वो natural essence भी मेरे लिए बहुत difficult होता है to get over it or to move on from that person.
Okay.
Relationships भी ऐसे ही होते आए हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, but the constant, इसीलिए मुझे family से इतना ज़्यादा ये कि because only they are the ones who have been constant. They are the constants. मतलब वो कहीं नहीं है, कहीं हिलने नहीं है. Touch wood, they have been the best my support system. But again, when it comes to children, students, like they definitely have a life to lead. They cannot be with me forever.
Yeah.
And yeah, when they go, it's tough. It's very tough. It takes me a lot of time to get out of that zone.
Okay.
Or maybe trust a person. And there have been complaints which I have heard. Hey, ma'am, you don't love us the way you loved her.
Oh.
Because that person took that part of me with that person, and that person is not going to come back, or maybe I need to work on myself to get that person back. But yeah, that is it. प्यार का source कम नहीं होना चाहिए. That's what you say, right? I don't know.
But you are that much attached.
Yeah, I am very attached because हो जाता है यार. अभी वो भी practice करना पड़ेगा कि कैसे attach ना हो. But हो जाएगा धीरे-धीरे.
Ma'am, like attachment is one of the thing, but आपके students ने भी आपसे कभी पूछा होगा कि मुझे dance as a career I want to take forward. But everybody thinks कि dance को career में तो हम लेंगे, but what about finance? Is it like a good profession to take ahead?
Okay, it's a amazing profession to take ahead. Reason I'll tell you. So, for example, if a banker is giving an examination, he'll definitely start with a ground level.
Okay.
Maybe a clerk, or maybe dash officer, maybe this officer. I don't know chronology.
Okay.
So when it comes to dancer also, it's the same. You need to attain trust of the people. Reason, people will not come to you if you are inconsistent. Okay, 6 महीने class है फिर आप बंद कर दो. People will not come. Or if you have a very big studio, आलिशान studio है, but consistency नहीं है. People will not go to you because you have a beautiful studio. For that you need to be consistent. Right? Again, it's not a one-day thing, 1 year thing. Because you evolve with time. You learn, and then you learn the market, and then you see what people like, what people dislike, or maybe the area which you belong to. For example, जिस area में मैं रहती हूँ, इतना poppy लोग नहीं है. Like the people, for example, the people in Ulhasnagar. They are very poppy. They are very open for all the forms.
Yeah.
When it comes to Ambarnath, it's way backwards. Not when you say backwards नहीं बोलेंगे कि उनको कुछ चीज अडाप्ट करने के लिए टाइम लगता है.
Conservative.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. But again, when they learn it very beautifully.
Okay.
So yeah, Guru Purnima was recently. तो सब बच्चों ने कुछ ना कुछ सेट करके मेरे लिए किया था. That brought me tears. But yeah, exactly. तो यही पॉइंट है कि जो जब कर तुमको डांस के फील्ड में या आर्ट के फील्ड में ग्रो करना है तो जस्ट लाइक अदर फील्ड ये भी वही है,
जीरो से स्टार्ट
जीरो से स्टार्ट करना, मेहनत करनी है, कंसिस्टेंट बनना।
ओके
आपको कल के कल पैसे नहीं आएंगे,
ओके
बैंक अकाउंट कल के कल नहीं भरेगा, पीपल शुड नो यू। थोड़ा सा वर्कशॉप्स लेना है, इनिशियली फ्री से स्टार्ट करो फॉर पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड नो एंड कनेक्ट विद यू। बट सबसे पहले तो यू हैव टू बी ट्रू टू योर आर्ट। इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ डांसर यू हैव टू बी ट्रू टू योर डांसिंग।
या
ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब इट्स जस्ट सुपरफिशियल,
या
ऐसा दिल से डांसर होना चाहिए, दिल से आर्टिस्ट होना चाहिए।
So, ma'am, one more question. Like any upcoming projects or workshops you are excited about, you would like to share with people?
Okay, so I am very excited about the month of August,
Okay.
and because I'll tell you later, because we have a lot of workshops every weekend. So every weekend I'm packed with workshops.
Okay.
So I would want people to come over and attend my workshops and meet me. I would be grateful because it's my birthday month. So I want to be, every weekend I want to cut a cake. I want to celebrate my birthday this year, the whole month.
Okay.
So I plan to keep workshop every weekend.
Okay.
So I would want people to come over, attend the workshops, and I would be grateful if people attend my workshops. And thank you for giving me a beautiful shout out. Please attend my workshops.
आपने बताया workshops and all सब कुछ है. Mental health कैसे manage करेंगे?
Mental health, okay. I've had a lot of anxiety because I'm an overthinker.
Yeah.
तो ये manage नहीं होता है कभी भी.
You are accepting.
Yes, I am accepting on screen. I can't. Sometimes there are days when I can't manage it.
Okay.
There are days when I have to go underground and I have to take my own time to heal. But my outer person, the dancer or the teacher, cannot show what she's going through.
Okay.
So वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा filter और maybe एक layer आ जाता है.
Okay.
So where I cannot be showing what I'm going through inside. So I have to be there. I have to be very cautious. कि nobody should know what I'm going through. So when you say a show must go on,
Yeah.
that is a real life mantra of my life. That whatever I'm going through my personal life,
Okay.
that never has to affect my work.
Okay.
And never has.
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Maybe you will understand कि हाँ मैम का थोड़ा mood off है. But nobody would want to know or nobody knows कि what exactly ma'am is going through. Ma'am is going through shit sometimes. Ma'am goes through a lot of things sometimes. But yeah, but that's a part of life, right?
Yeah.
तो अगर मैं ही बोल रही हूँ कि consistent रहना है और मैं ही inconsistent रहूँ, तो फिर that will not even justify to what I am trying to do or my motive or whatever.
Actually, this point inspired me. Like, this is a point to think about. Whatever we go in the life, the show must go.
Because see, I've had students.
Okay.
I have students. I will not say a bahana.
Okay.
This is not a bahana. Mental health is not a bahana. Maybe पहले मेरा कुछ और perspective था. अभी मेरा perspective change हो गया. Not because I have faced it, because I've seen people face it.
Okay.
So there are times when people just say कि ma'am I'm very low today, I can't come, or maybe I'm just going through my worst, I can't come. So what from my end what I do, I tell them just get out of the bed,
Okay.
dress up,
Okay.
and just come,
Okay.
and just come and just see what you feel. And that person definitely वो तभी का तभी patch लग जाता है वहाँ पे wound पे, but that definitely makes the person feel better.
Yeah.
And that is the whole plan all about. कि तुम्हें अच्छा फील कराने के लिए तुमको मैंने क्लास बुलाया. That's it.
जिसको भी अच्छा फील करने
मेरे पास
last question I would want to know. Any message to aspiring dancers or your students you want to give? Yeah, you want them to follow something in their life.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Because see, there will be 10,000 bahanas. What do we say bahanas in English?
Excuses.
Excuses, yeah. There will be 10,000 excuses कि घर पे पानी नहीं है, भाई नहीं आई है, मुझे प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करना है, मेरा एग्जाम है. But don't stop. Maybe you need a pause because saturate हो जाएगा दिमाग एक ही चीज कर करके. Give a pause to yourself, but don't stop. The day you stop, वापस आना again to square one is difficult. Because कैसा होता है ना कि as an artist you reach somewhere. You've understood the emotion. then again you stop doing that, again you fall back.
Okay.
और वापस वहाँ ऊपर आना
हाँ.
थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है बिकॉज किसी ना पेस भी फिर स्लो हो जाता है एंड so it's all about your mindset.
Okay.
That's about it.
Well, thank you so much,
Awesome.
ma'am. Thank you for being my guest. And
I am grateful, to be very honest, Khushbu. I have seen a lot of videos of you, and you've been very good with your work.
Thank you.
And I really want, really help, pray ki you be consistent with your work. You have amazing guests and a studio of your own.
Thank
you
you.
can call over people,
Yeah.
sit, and there is a conversation with Khushbu ka piche hashtag,
Oh.
and then I'm gonna come again, and then
Please.
again we'll have a conversation
Please,
with your
please,
studio.
please,
So
please.
please manifest this for yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. Means a lot. These words, like, thank you so much.
Most
Thank you. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching our podcast. We'll see you guys next time.